Okay everyone, in this tutorial we are going to discuss how to use CorelDraw to design a custom LED layout for your LED programming project. My plan is to create a circle shaped LED layout like this one. First of all, you need to download and install CorelDraw. In this tutorial, I'm going to use the X5 version. Alright, double click on the CorelDraw icon. Full screen. Go to File, select New. In the name field, type change the width to 8, height to 10. Select inches as your unit and click OK. First, I'm going to create the center guidelines. Go to View, and if there's no check mark, click on Rulers. Go back to View and click on Guideline. If it doesn't have a check mark, go back to View again and check or select Snap to Grid. If it doesn't have a check mark, select View again and click on Snap to Guidelines. Make sure, alright, go back to View, Rules checked, Guidelines checked, Snap to Grid checked, Snap to Guideline checked, and Snap to Objects checked. This is the vertical ruler. This is the horizontal ruler. Alright, go to your vertical ruler. Click on the vertical ruler and hold your mouse button while you drag your cursor towards the center of the worksheet. Release your mouse button when it reaches the 4-inch mark on the horizontal ruler right here. Okay, click on the horizontal ruler, hold your mouse button, move your cursor towards the center of the worksheet until it reaches the 5-inch mark on the vertical ruler. Alright, this is our center point. Okay, now it's time to create the first LED reference. I'm going to select the ellipse tool from the toolbar and press Ctrl Shift of your keyboard and click and hold your mouse button at the center and move your mouse cursor off the center until it reach 1. In the property bar, now we have a LED reference which is 1-inch diameter. Okay, now we have created our first LED reference. I'm going to duplicate along the x-axis. Just click on the pick tool, select the LED reference, go to window, click on Dockers and go to transformations and click on position horizontal 1.25, which means the distance between each circle's center will be 1.25 inch. Okay, I'm going to leave the vertical distance 0 because we don't want the vertical displacement. I need 10 copies. Make sure you have select the relative portion and click on apply. Now I'm going to duplicate each one of these LED references around the center point, except for the LED reference at the center. Alright, select the LED reference, go to window, go to Dockers, transformations, rotate it. Okay, for this circle I'm going to give angle 60 and center coordinates, horizontal and vertical coordinates of the center point, which is horizontal coordinate is 4, vertical coordinates is 5. Okay, make sure you didn't select anything here. How many copies you can have if I duplicate this LED reference per every 60 degrees. To get that, you can use this simple equation: copies equals 360 divided by angle minus 1. Go back to CorelDraw, use the pick tool, select the LED reference, and angle is 60, which means 360 divided by 60 equals 6, minus 1 is 5. I can have 5 copies of this one around this center point. Okay, here we go. I'm going to use 30. How many LED references can I have if I duplicate this LED reference per every 30 degrees, which is 360 divided by 30, which is 12, minus 1 is 11, and click apply. Here we go. Alright, I have my own set of values for the angle. You can play with the angle value. Make sure you use the equation here to decide how many copies that you can have for the given angle. For the third one, I'm going to give 20. Make sure you have the horizontal value is 4, and how many copies? 20 is, I can have 70 copies. Alright, as you go along the LED reference to the right, the angle get small and small, and the number of copies that you can have within the path will be increased. I'm going to zoom out. Select all these LED references. You can click and hold your mouse button while moving your cursor to the opposite side and select all these LED references. Go to Arrange, click on Layer Transformation, which will reset the transformations of these LED reference. As a result, the center point of any of these LED references, as you can see, within the LED reference itself. Go to File, select Save As, select the path, select the Save As type as DXF, AutoCAD DXF file. Okay, file name you can give any name and select Save. Leave these settings like this and click OK. Alright, I'm going to close the CorelDraw. I'm going to double click AutoCAD and select AutoCAD Classic. In this tutorial I'm going to use AutoCAD 2007. You can use a new version. Go to File, select Open. Alright, select the file and select Open. Here you go. Use your mouse wheel to zoom out. Now it's time to do the wiring, and go to make sure you have selected the object snap tracking, which is all track, and object snap here, all snap. Right click on the all snap and go to settings, and make sure you have the same settings, same things checked as mine, and click OK. Okay, select the line tool from the toolbar and start from any one of these LED references. I'm going to start from here and select the second one, select the third one. You can see it snap to the center. Don't zoom too close. If you have mistakenly selected elsewhere instead of the center, left click and select undo. Left click and select undo. Okay, make sure you are clicking on this near to the center. Don't zoom too much or don't zoom out too much either. Select. You can see it snap to the center. Okay, continue doing this. Okay, now we are changing the lines. Select the first LED of the next line. Don't zoom too much. Okay. Now we are going in the opposite direction. you want to delete a line, select the lines that you want to delete and press delete button. You can discontinue the line from anywhere. Make sure you select the line and start from the last portion you finish the line. Okay, now we have wire read. Press enter to close the wiring. Okay, here we go. Here's our layout after wiring. It's time to connect it to the port. Since I have less amount of LEDs than the maximum amount that can be controlled by the controller port, I'm going to connect this LED layout to the port 1. Okay, select the multi-line text tool from the toolbar. Okay, click here next to the first LED reference of the layout and select and press 0 of your keyboard and press enter. Here we go. And I'm going to increase the size to 1 inch and right, I'm going to type simple P and 1, which means port 1, and click OK. Select the line tool from the toolbar. Select the center of this first LED reference and click on the P1 label. Okay, and press enter and save the file. Okay, now we have created our LED reference. Now it's time to save the file. Go to File, go to Save As, give the file type as AutoCAD 2007 DXF, and you can use different name right here, layout 003, and save. Okay, now close the AutoCAD program. If you want to save the project, you can click yes and save the project file as well. And now it's time to import it to the LEDEdit software. Okay, in this tutorial I'm going to use LEDEdit-k version. Go to File, select New to create a new project. Select the controller and type the maximum amount of light per port and click OK. And click Import DXF button right here and browse and select the file you just created and click on Open. Make sure you have selected the imprecise connection, and I'm going to scale it to 5 and click OK. Number of successful import lights 390. Here we go. So here's our LED layout. Now it's time to animate it. Go to Program, select the program, and go to Effect tab and select any effect from the library if you like. Here we go. Here's how it looked like. I will discuss how to use LEDEdit software in another lesson. This lesson is only to show you how to design a custom LED layout. I will do another lesson for recording and editing the animation and programming the controller in another lesson. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe. Alright, see you in the next lesson. Thank you for watching.